Hello and welcome to our Semicon Europe booth. This year it's a premiere for us because we are exhibiting for the first time at the Semicon Europe in beautiful Munich here. And all of you already know us from the SMT world, where our SPI and AOI products have been market leader for many years. But we also have interesting products, innovative products for the semiconductor backend industry. And in Asia, we have been active for many years already with our products for many customers. But in Europe, as we all know, the backend in semiconductor has not been a big issue. But during COVID, we realized it is very important to bring our whole supply chain back to Europe. And this is why we also would like to introduce to you our amazing products, innovative products for the semiconductor backend industry. And what we brought for you today, I would like to show you now. So this is Abi, our senior Meister S engineer. And this is the product we would like to start with. So Abi, tell us, why is the Meister S indispensable for the back-end semiconductor industry?
Well, Meister S plays a really important role in the wafer level packaging because we have really small bumps up to 50 microns and up to 30 microns. And this is important because if the height is really small, then we cannot use the normal SMT machines like AOI or SPIs, the conventional SPIs or AOIs. In that case, we need specific hardware and specific optics for such small bumps. And in that case, we have Meister S, which comes into action. Because here we have 3.5 micrometer resolution, that means each pixel size is 3.5 microns. And that's why we have this specific software which can detect such small height bumps. And this is the importance of our Meister S. We have different kinds of lightning sources. The complete optics, the complete hardware is different. And that is really different from the conventional SPIs and standard AOIs. And therefore, we have special machines for such back-end processes.
Great, thank you, Abi. So now we are moving from the Meister S, which was on substrate level, to our Meister D Plus, which is working on dies. Here we have Brandon. Brandon, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Solin. How are you?
Good, me too, thanks. So Brandon is our senior engineer for our Meister D system. Brandon, tell us what is so unique about our Meister D Plus?
What we do is optical inspection on all the dies. That will include foreign material inspection, so we're checking for cracks, chipping, we're checking for foreign material, dust, we're doing polarity, pad overhang, offset. We're doing a whole plethora of checks on the die. So here, for example, you can see we've got a very reflective die, and we can see we're for foreign material, we're doing contamination check on top of the die. But we can also do this for cracks on all components. The system itself is a 12 megapixel system with a resolution of 5 microns.
Thank you, Brandon. Very interesting. So now that you got to know our Meister S and our Meister D Plus for the back-end semiconductor industry, I would like to introduce you our Neptune C Plus, because what is very important for the semiconductor and the SMT industry is the conformal coating in order to protect our board and the components. And what solution Koh Young offers, I would like to show you now. Hey Nabil.
Hi.
So Nabil is our expert when it comes to our Neptune C Plus. Nabil, what makes our Neptune C Plus so special?
So our Neptune C Plus is special because of two things. First of all, the speed, and secondly is the accuracy of the measurements. So our system is too fast for the inspection. For example, for just this sample board with which we have, benchmark board, 210 by 210, we can measure 2D, 3D in 18 seconds. Regarding the accuracy, we can measure starting from 10 microns up to 3.5. Doesn't matter if it's on the PCB level or on the top of the component, and even on the leads of the components.
Thank you, Nabil. And also not to forget, our Neptune C Plus was the first inline system that was capable to measure transparent materials. As you've heard, we have a lot of innovative products for you. And if you got curious, don't hesitate to contact us for more information. Thank you.